Water woes in India are quite severe. At the current rate of water consumption and its projected increase, cities will have to interact much more with the hydrological cycle to provide water security, which is essential for sustained economic prosperity. At the heart of the problem, we have reduced water security, contamination, and of course overstressed natural systems. One solution to explore is the reuse of treated wastewater by implementing suitable solutions as per the local or regional needs. This multidisciplinary approach will have a positive impact on industrial, agricultural, horticultural, ecological, and environmental needs, both at city levels and across the regions. The Online Training and Capacity Building Certificate, or OTCB program, is designed to be useful and informative to all those who are involved with the facilitation of water and wastewater reuse inside both government and private organizations, as well as mid-career professionals. This program can also guide graduates and students of the engineering, environmental science, and water policy planning disciplines to understand the current and advanced practices to be used in the field. The program will take us through three main objectives. First, it will familiarize the audience with various aspects of setting up wastewater reuse infrastructure facilities. In particular, we will review the basic and advanced treatment technologies. We'll address legal and policy aspects, funding options, managing contracts, and finally, we will examine the government approach along with marketing strategies and consumer perspectives to create a complete picture of the reusable water and wastewater landscape, along with also managing the actual infrastructure project development and its implementation. The online program will span the dates running from 8th through 22nd of March, and the timing will be from 2 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Dr. Pankaj Kumar Sampath, Program Director, Dr. Nupur Bahadur, Program Joint Director, and Chief Advisor, Mr. M.N. Tippasamy, will all take part in leading the discussion. We will be joined by various subject matter specialists and industry experts whose names and speaking times can be found on the brochure. We are grateful to National Mission for Clean Ganga.
साथियों, अगर गंगा जल की स्वच्छता को लेकर वही पुराने तौर तरीके अपनाए जाते तो आज भी हालत उतनी ही बुरी रहती। लेकिन हम नई सोच, नई अप्रोच के साथ आगे बढ़े। हमने नमामि गंगे मिशन को सिर्फ गंगा जी की साफ सफाई तक ही सीमित नहीं रखा, बल्कि इसे देश का सबसे बड़ा और विस्तृत नदी संरक्षण कार्यक्रम बनाया। सरकार ने चारों दिशाओं में एक साथ काम आगे बढ़ाया। पहला, गंगा जल में गंदा पानी गिरने से रोकने के लिए सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांटों का जाल बिछाना शुरू किया। दूसरा, सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट ऐसे बनाए जो अगले 10-15 साल की भी जरूरतें पूरी कर सके। तीसरा, गंगा नदी के किनारे बसे 100 बड़े शहरों और 5000 गांवों को खुले में शौच से मुक्त करना। और चौथा, जो गंगा जी की सहायक नदियां हैं उनमें भी प्रदूषण रोकने के लिए पूरी ताकत लगाना।
NMCG, Government of India Enterprise, Knowledge Partners International Water Association, and CEPT University, and thankful to the industrial sponsors for supporting the program. IDEC is committed to sustainable development of infrastructure, our nation's spine for progress, in a mission mode to have quality of life, economic growth, and equitable development with a judicious use of resources. We work across sectors including water and treated wastewater reuse. ICAP is committed to contribute in nation building through various capacity building programs that build the knowledge core of all constituents who play a role in successful implementation of. Our associate partner, TERI, the Energy and Resources Institute. We look forward to being joined by all of you in the spirit of having a highly constructive and fruitful discussion. Thank you in advance for your time and attendance.